his home was touched because he was associated with me. I continued now to call media, at least to see that the money which was raised was given to the family.
Thank you. Let us watch VKM4 and VKM8 very quickly. We may need the help of the translator, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly usher in the translator.
If we could have the time frozen as well, Mr. Speaker, sir, as we wait for the help of the translator. We can now play the video.
Onyo, mwere yo, ukiadroya kiresidence ya gavana.
Tunapeana onyo, hiyo mwili tutaizika kwa mboma ya ungavana.
Tudeko dika, tureenda siya kofini ya unduko shonde.
Isikiki vizuri.
Can we repeat that part kindly?
Onyo, mwere yo, ukiadroya kiresidence ya gavana.
Onyo, mwili huo tutaizika kwa mboma ya gavana.
Tudeko dika, tureenda siya kofini ya unduko shonde.
Kila siku tutakuwa tunatafuta mwenye aliua sniper.
I object to that line of translation. It is grossly misleading, Mr. Speaker, sir. I fully understand the Meru language. It has nothing to do with
How many translators do we have out there?
We have, wait.
Is he the only translator we have? He's the only translator we have? There are two?
We have two.
Bring in the other one. As a translator, there can never be any doubt cast upon you. Proceed.
Onyo, mwere yo, ukiadroya kiresidence ya gavana. Tudeko dika.
A warning, if that body is found at the home of the governor.
I think we have a serious problem, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Oh, kindly, can we, let's pray, kindly.
Translator, do this. Face the other side, don't face the screen, because you're translating what is in English to Meru. Just face the other side and simply hear the Meru language and translate it.
Yes.
Onyo, mwere yo, ukiadroya kiresidence ya gavana. Tudeko dika.
A warning, if that body is found at the residence of the governor, where I won't bury that body.
Tureenda siya kofini ya unduko shonde.
There is the sound is not that good, kindly.
We all can hear, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Okay, just replay.
Onyo, mwere yo, ukiadroya kiresidence ya gavana. Tudeko dika.
A warning, if that body is found at the residence of the governor, I won't bury that body.
Tureenda siya kofini ya unduko shonde.
It will remain there forever.
Munkora woro ete sniper toidatia, tumuone.
Until when we come to get the one who killed sniper.
Nabale mwa, to you end selit.
And if it is not possible, we'll take it to Senate. Because those are the people who brought back that person who killed Sniper. And we will fight, and we don't fear. Play on.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we can pause a bit. We had provided a transcript of those utterances. They are contained at volume 4, at page 6, because I am dissatisfied with that translation. Perhaps senators can retreat and look at it and compare with a more qualified translator. We can have the next clip.
Mwiri, you are Sniper.
The body of Sniper.
Kenya.
We'll take it route in Kenya.
Senate.
We'll take to Senate.
Tatiania.
We'll take to Tigania.
Imenti.
We'll take to Imenti.
Igembe.
We will take to Igembe.
County.
And we will take to the county.
Thank you very much. Madam Governor, what transpired after those utterances were made against you and connecting you to the death of Sniper? And kindly, as you answer that, be mindful of the fact that it's an issue that is alive in court.
After a lot of public rallies and the leaders accusing me of killing the Sniper, a team from DCI came to my place. They searched everybody, took all our phones, and made even my last son, who is 16 years, to write a statement for the same. And after that, they arrested my brother, who is my small brother. I tried to ask them as to why they did so. They said the investigation is still on, and I believe that justice will be served also as we serve justice to the Sniper's family. My brother will also be served with justice. But to me, Honorable Speaker and this Honorable House, I've never even thought of killing, leave alone killing. Even thinking it's very far from me.
Thank you. So is it your evidence that you are thoroughly investigated and you have not personally been in any way connected to this murder and you have not faced any charges?
I have not faced any charges. I did not even record a statement for the same. They came to our place, that is the governor's official residence, did the investigations and went away.
Council for Governor, I'm informed your time is up. What do you say?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am truly saddened by that fact. I know we've had serious issues of mismanagement of time. That is a fault on our side. If I can have just 10 minutes with your kind permission. This is a very crucial witness. She's the governor who is facing the charges. 10 minutes, I believe, will do us justice in this matter. I will be done in 10 minutes.
Because it's her career that is on the line, and she only has today to fight for her career, I'll give you 20 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, sir. I am really obliged. Madam Governor, so you confirm that the criminal investigative agencies within the country were involved in this process?
Yes, the criminal investigative agency were involved and they came to Meru for more than a month to do investigations.
By the time those utterances were made by the people we have seen doing them, had investigations been concluded or begun?
Not even begun.
They had not begun?
Yes.
Did you make utterances during the course of the investigations? Did you make any public statements in respect to the issue during the course of investigations?
The only public utterance that I made is about the amount that was raised during that time.
During that time?
Yes.
Thank you. We have been told that you have caused a lot of problems to the widow of the deceased by claiming that she's cohabiting with an MCA. What do you say about that issue?
That is very wrong. I've never uttered such. In fact, maybe they think by the time I said that the MCA is being hosted by the sniper's wife was being hosted by an MCA, thought that I was alleging a male MCA, which was not.
Which was not the case.
Yes.
We have seen in the clips saying that they will take that body to various places. Have you witnessed them doing exactly that? And if they have done that, who has done that? And what is the target?
The target was just to victimize the governor, and they had the purpose that immediately they raise alarm and also continue telling people the lies that I'm a murder sniper. I will take plea, and immediately they will impeach me and bring another impeachment motion out of that.
Thank you. Madam Governor, there is an accused person in that murder, one Chris Kiambi, and you have been told that you have continued to pay him despite him being a murder suspect. Number one, I want you to confirm if you know the said individual and if he works in your office.
I learned after the investigations were over that he's an employee of county government in the Department of Communication.
There is a letter of appointment that appears at volume 2, volume 6 of the County Assembly's documents. Who is the author of that letter of appointment?
Virginia Kawira, Secretary, CEO, Meru County Public Service Board.
Was that position, in your understanding, a competitive process, or those are among one of the staff that work directly under you?
It was a competitive position.
You've also been accused of, or rather an issue was raised, and I know it will come up during cross-examination, of your association with the main suspect in that murder case, one Supu. Have you adduced evidence to show that he's not a member of your staff, neither does he work for the county?
Yes, he's not a member of my staff. He doesn't work even in our county.
What would be the connection between him and the county of Meru? Was he ever employed by the county?
The County Public Service Board advertised positions, various positions. He was among the people Thank you. The County Public Service position advertised positions, and he was among the people who were appointed by them. And immediately after they went to check on papers, his papers, according to the letter that I can see, and I also saw from the county secretary, that it was a fake degree. And for that reason, the county secretary service board revoked the appointment, immediately revoked the appointment.
Where is that letter found? In volume?
Volume 2.
Of the county government's document at what page?
At page 454.
454. So, would you be having any association with the same individual?
Not at all.
Not at all. Finally, on that issue, Madam Governor, what are your sentiments towards the family of the late sniper? Because it has been argued that you have not made any utterances or directed your feelings towards the family. What would you say? And have you even done that previously?
I did it previously, and I also repeat them. I'm sorry about the family. And in fact, I'm the one that got out of my way to ask justice for the same family. This is a young family that maybe is not all that much able. And the reason as to why I went to media to give my stand is that I saw a lot of kind of mishandling the same family, stealing from the same family, doing it for politics and not to assist the same family.
Your utterances in that press statement, were they directed at the family or to whom were they directed?
My utterances were directed to the general public of Meru.
Thank you. Let us go to the last count of abuse of office. And you have been accused of employing a bloated workforce. Did you stand before the Senate last year and answer to the same charges?
Yes, I was here for the same charges.
Were you found guilty of those charges?
Not guilty.
A list was produced here of the names that you have purportedly employed. Was it the same list that was produced last year, purporting that you had a bloated workforce?
It was the same list that was brought here.
Thank you. You have also been, let me go back to the issue of paying Kiambi Christas Manyara. You have been accused of not taking any disciplinary action against the said individual despite him facing criminal charges. Do you have powers to take disciplinary action against an individual who has been accused of any criminal offense as a governor?
I don't believe I have any powers to do that. Because
Who should take disciplinary action in your understanding? Who should take disciplinary action in your understanding?
I think the County Public Service Board.
To the best of your knowledge, has that issue been brought to the attention of the County Public Service Board for their attention?
The issue has not been brought to the County Public Service Board, and if there is any, maybe they could have informed me.
Thank you. We also watched clips by the move of the motion touching on two main issues. One is the issue of the death of certain cows within your county, where 20 cows had died because of an outbreak of a skin disease. Are you aware of that issue, and what have you done in respect to that issue? Do you have any data of any form?
I saw the issue on this screen that is yesterday. For the veterinary services that you offer in Meru County, for the last 2 financial years, we have vaccinated over 200,000 against various diseases. So that one, I only saw the clip, but I did not see any dead cow or any even people supporting the same.
You were also accused of poor service delivery, where even mothers within your county, specifically within Kegocho Hospital, are giving birth by the roadside. Are you aware of that